I'm happy, but we've got to be serious here. If you want to make millions on YouTube, you've got to run YouTube like a business. You got to stop messing around. Everyone else is telling this garbage strategy about social media, that you've got to create content, put it on YouTube, and then repurpose it on Facebook and put it on LinkedIn and on Instagram and transcribe it, put it on your blog. Are you kidding me? Do you know anyone who succeeded with that strategy? Is the person who told you to do that doing well? Is the person who told you to do that making millions? We've been talking about how powerful YouTube is for building influence and making an impact in the world. Now we're going to talk about the financial opportunity. If it were me watching this video, I'd want some credibility. So I'm going to start out just talking about me and what I've been able to do, but then, more importantly, I'm going to switch to you and talk about what you can do to grow massive influence on YouTube and make millions of dollars. Let me introduce you to Chris. Chris and I started this channel from 0 subscribers, from scratch, and we've built it up to 366,000. This is as of yesterday. And I'll share with you the details, but let me jump to the end of the story first, just so you know how relevant this is. This channel is bringing in $600,000 per month just from organic YouTube leads. Now, in case you missed that, this YouTube channel called Chris Crone, Chris and I are partners on this channel, is bringing in $600,000 per month just from organic YouTube leads. So how in the world have we done this? I approached Chris about an idea. I saw him speak and he was talking about real estate investing. I saw that he had great speaking ability, he had great expertise, and I approached him with an idea. It's taken us some time to get here, and we filmed over 700 episodes. At the end of every episode, we have a call to action that sends people to the website, the sales funnel, the ClickFunnels. We don't sell in the videos until the content is done. So Chris will talk for 10 minutes, then he's done, and then there'll be an outro. And in the outro, we give a call to action. It might be something like, hey, and if you found value in this video, I've got a gift for you. I want to give you my book for free. I go into a lot more detail. So if you click the link below, you'll get access to my book. We'll see you there. You know, something like that. So people click on that link, they go to his ClickFunnels sales funnel, they get the book, and then they get shown other products and programs. So a real common one is a $1,000 video course. He's got upsells, he's got downsells. That organic traffic from YouTube going to ClickFunnels is bringing in over $600,000 a month in sales. Now, the style of videos that we film is really, really simple. We can film an episode in 10 minutes. And then we hit record and we record the next one, another 10 minutes. It's really simple, but you've got to have two strategies. There are two advantages to YouTube. And instead of wasting your time publishing content everywhere, hoping something goes viral, be strategic with one. It doesn't have to be YouTube. I'm going to be talking about YouTube for the rest of this video, about what you can do and how you can leverage YouTube to build a massive, massive following and get results like this. The first advantage that YouTube has is this amazing search engine. I mean, think about it. If you watched a video on Facebook that you loved, maybe it was a couple months ago, and you wanted to try and find it, how hard of a task is that? We've all tried it. We search for this video, and man, sometimes we can't find it. It's lost forever. And this was only 2 months ago. What about a year ago? But what about on YouTube? How many times have you searched for a video on YouTube? Of course you can find it. Somebody could tell you about a video and you don't even know the title, and you could search for it and you can find it. YouTube's search engine is so amazing. So how does that apply to you? Well, you are an expert. You're an influencer. You have expertise that people want to know. In fact, right now, all around the globe, people are going to Google and YouTube and they're typing in questions that you have the answer for. But you know what? They don't know that you exist. They don't know you exist. So how do we take advantage of this YouTube search engine? All you have to do is make videos that answer the questions that they're searching for. Okay, you can't make up the titles of your videos. You have to do keyword research to find what are the questions that they're searching for. So here's the magic. They do the search, they find your video, they click on it because it's exactly what they're searching for. and then they watch the whole video because it's exactly what they want. They watch to the end. You become their hero. They subscribe, they want to follow you. And guess what else? The YouTube algorithm sees that that person watched the whole video and thinks, wow, this is a good performing video. We're going to bring more traffic here. And so gradually your channel and your videos just get more and more and more views. So every video that you create becomes a marketing machine for your business. It's pulling in people who've never heard of you before, but need you and want your services. They love you, but they need you. They need your expertise. They want to follow you. Now, you heard me talk about keyword research. Don't let that overwhelm you. Don't let that intimidate you, because I'm going to make it really, really simple. Keyword research, think of a tree. Okay, think of a tree. A tree has a broad trunk. It's got thicker branches, but then it goes out to thin limbs, and then it goes to leaves. Our minds are good at thinking of the broad topics like the trunk or the branches. I'll share an example of a friend of mine. She's an interior designer. Interior design would be the trunk, okay? Living room design, kitchen design, bathroom design, bedroom design. Those are all different branches. How to design a living room, that's a branch. But the leaves are hard for us to think of. The leaves are the really specific questions that people are asking on our tree. So what I'm going to show you are not titles that I made up. In our minds, Katie and I, the interior designer, we came up with the topic of living room design that we wanted to make some videos about. And we did some keyword research to find these titles. Notice how specific they are. How to design a living room with a high ceiling. How to design a living room with a corner fireplace. How to design a living room kitchen combo. How to design a living room with a TV. Okay, the list goes on and on and on. This gives Katie several advantages. One, it gives her a lot more ideas of videos to make for YouTube. And two, because she's so specific, people that are searching for living room design around a corner fireplace, they're obviously going to watch her video and they're going to follow her. Let me introduce you to Paul Jenkins. He teaches a lot of topics on parenting and on relationships. Parenting has really taken off. Paul's also become a great friend of mine. He had this channel previously, so going back 14 months, his channel was at 235 subscribers, and in the last 14 months we've grown it, as of yesterday, to almost 48,000. So it's doing pretty well. It's also a traffic lead generating machine. Let me show you some of the leaf topics we've used on this channel. How to get kids to study, how to get kids to sleep, how to talk to kids so they listen, and our best one, how to get kids to listen without yelling. So these are all phrases that people are searching for. I just shared gold with you. Did you take notes? Seriously, keyword research before filming, every time. If you film a video without doing keyword research first, that's fine. Just know that it's not going to get your results. It's only going to go out and nurture your existing tribe. If you want to build a following and have your videos actually market for you and pull in people who've never heard of you before and are searching for you, you've got to do keyword research before filming. I told you that there were two huge advantages to YouTube. The first one, that is epic. You need to apply it if you want to get these results. The second one is just amazing. The second one means that YouTube will actually promote your videos for you. Let me explain how this works. YouTube has a partner program, and people miss the huge benefit of the partner program. They think that the benefit of the partner program is that YouTube pays you part of their ad revenue. That's cool. That's icing on the cake. Let me go into more detail. Okay, the YouTube partner program works like this. Advertisers pay YouTube to put their ads up, and then YouTube gives out 55% of that ad spend to the creator of the video. So if I put a video on YouTube, YouTube puts an ad next to it, they pay me 55% of that advertising revenue. That's pretty cool. And I can understand why people focus on that as the main benefit. Now don't get me wrong, I personally make 5 figures monthly from advertising revenue, but that's just a small piece. That's a small potential of what you can do. Here's the real value of the partner program. When I make a video that will make YouTube money, YouTube will promote that video. I don't have to pay YouTube to promote that video. In fact, they pay me. They pay me to promote my video and get millions or hundreds of thousands of views, which generates thousands and thousands and thousands of leads for me. I've been searching to find another platform, and no other platform has it this good. You have a purpose inside. You've got that burning feeling. You've got this mission. You've got this message to share. And now you've got the tool. You've got YouTube. Take advantage of their search engine. Look at YouTube as a partner and make videos that will make YouTube money, and they will promote you, and you'll get the results like we're getting on the Chris Crone channel and the many other channels that I produce. You know what? I have a gift for you as well. Okay, if you click the link below, you can access my keyword research guide. I go into detail of the steps that I take and the tool that I use. It's from SEMrush. It's a game changer, and I want to show you how to do that so you can get these results on YouTube. Of course, if you watch the video this far, make sure you subscribe, turn on the alerts, that little bell button, so that you can get notified of my future episodes. We'll see you tomorrow.